If you want to install a VPN app on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, you can just simply open the Play Store. Then in here at the bottom, we're going to use the search option, and then at the top we have the search field. And we should be able to just search for VPN. Of course, if you have a specific VPN app in mind, you can just search for it over here as well. You should be able to type the name of that VPN app and you should be able to find it straight away. In my case, I'm just gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is very simple. But feel free to try anything else if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you for some reason. So we're gonna open the app once it is installed. And then in here we should be able to continue as a guest, so thankfully we don't have to create an account to even be able to use the VPN app. In some cases, of course, VPN apps require you to create an account. There is also the premium offer quite often, but in this case we don't have to actually get it, we can just tap on a not now over here in order to continue. And then you should be able to connect to a server. Now in this case we can connect to a random server and that the app will just give us. We can actually change the server as well, but we cannot specifically choose which one we want to use. In other cases, it might be possible to choose which country you want to connect to specifically. Unfortunately, not in this case. So of course, apps have different offers, especially for free users. You know, these features can be very limited and they vary from app to app. So this is why it might be important to find the VPN app that works the best for you. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.